Amazon is flooded with thousands of viral gadgets every single day, but let's be completely real for a second. Half of them end up sitting in your junk drawer collecting dust after 2 days. So today on Gadget Drop, we put the internet's most viral Amazon gadgets through their paces to see which ones are actual life changers and which ones are just hype. We've got everything from smart tech that feels like it's straight out of 2050 to simple home upgrades you didn't even know you desperately needed. I've dropped all the direct links in the description box below, so grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump straight into the list. Kicking things off with a viral titan that broke the internet, the Stanley Quencher ProTour Flip Straw Tumbler. If you're tired of standard water bottles leaking all over your backpack or car seats, this upgrade fixes the single biggest flaw of the classic Stanley. The engineered flip straw gives you a 100% airtight leak-proof seal, so you can literally toss it upside down into your gym bag without creating a total disaster zone. Plus, that legendary double wall vacuum insulation keeps ice frozen for over 24 hours straight. It fits perfectly in standard cup holders, making it the ultimate everyday carry hydration sidekick. Now, speaking of ice, if your fridge ice maker takes 3 business days just to make a handful of cloudy cubes, the Crzoe Ice Maker's countertop with handle is an absolute game changer. This compact powerhouse churns out 9 fresh bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes flat. The built-in sturdy carrying handle makes it super easy to move from your kitchen counter to the backyard deck, RV, or weekend tailgate party. It operates quietly, features an automatic self-cleaning mode at the press of a button, and guarantees you'll never have to run out for overpriced bags of gas station ice ever again. If your current wallet looks like a thick leather sandwich crammed with 5-year-old paper receipts and expired gift cards, it's time to modernize. The SEMORID Slim Aluminum Card Holder Wallet gives you instant, smooth pop-up access to all your credit cards with a quick flick of a bottom trigger. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, it shields your sensitive card data against electronic pickpocketing using complete RFID blocking technology. It holds up to 12 cards plus physical cash in a sleek money clip, yet stays impossibly thin in your front pocket, so you can finally ditch the back pain. Massage guns are everywhere these days, but the RENPHO Active Thermacool 2 massage gun takes muscle recovery to a whole new level. Unlike standard massage guns that just vibrate, this bad boy features active heating and rapid cooling tech built directly into the attachment head. You can blast sore, tight muscles with soothing heat to warm up before a heavy workout, or instantly switch to icy cold therapy right after to knock down inflammation and muscle soreness. With a high torque brushless motor and long battery life, it's basically like having a personal physical therapist on standby. Imagine being able to print full-sized contracts, shipping labels, or school assignments anywhere on the planet without ever buying a single drop of ink again. That's the magic of the Phomemo M08F wireless mobile printer. It uses advanced thermal printing technology, meaning no messy ink cartridges, no dried up print heads, and 0 ribbon replacements ever. It connects seamlessly to your phone or laptop via Bluetooth and weighs under 2 pounds, making it small enough to slip right into your laptop bag. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, your car, or an airport terminal, this thing just works. If you want to maximize your home workout results in half the time, the AXV Body Shaker fitness machine has been going insanely viral for a reason. This whole body vibration platform stimulates your muscle fibers at ultra high frequencies while you stand, squat, or stretch on it. It helps boost blood circulation, improves core stability, and speeds up muscle activation right from your living room floor. With multiple speed levels, customizable workout presets, and whisper quiet motor technology, 10 minutes on this platform feels like an intense hour-long session at a high-end gym. Hauling a heavy corded vacuum around your house is officially a thing of the past. The Shark BU3523 cordless stick vacuum packs massive deep cleaning suction power into an ultralight frame that bends in the middle so you can reach under couches and beds without breaking your back. It features Shark's self-cleaning brush roll, which actively cuts away hair wrap as you clean, a total game changer if you have shedding pets or long hair in the house. Plus, it instantly converts into a lightweight hand vacuum for detailing your car or cleaning kitchen counters in seconds. If your wall outlets constantly look like a tangled disaster of bulky charging bricks and extension cords, you need the 1-beat multi-plug outlet extender with USB-C. It instantly turns a single standard dual wall outlet into 5 widely spaced AC sockets, 3 fast USB-A ports, and a high-speed USB-C port. The smart layout accommodates large power adapters without blocking neighboring plugs. It features built-in surge protection to keep your expensive electronics safe from random power spikes, alongside an integrated smart night light that automatically adjusts its brightness based on the room's lighting. Any DIY enthusiast knows the absolute headache of trying to cut flooring, tile, or drywall around weirdly shaped pipes, door frames, and corners. Enter the Feeke contour measuring gauge set. You simply press the flexible plastic pins against any irregular curve or shape, flip the locking mechanism to freeze it in place, and trace the exact outline directly onto your material. It completely eliminates frustrating guesswork and ruined materials, saving you hours of trial and error on your home improvement projects. How many times have you dropped a screw off a ladder or lost a drill bit in the grass while working? The RAK Magnetic Wristband puts an end to that struggle forever. Embedded with 10 ultra-strong neodymium magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits right on your wrist while you work hands-free. Made from durable, breathable mesh with an adjustable strap, it fits comfortably over work gloves or bare wrists, essentially giving you the reliable third hand you've always wished for during DIY repairs. If you love fixing electronics, assembling furniture, or tweaking small gadgets, the SEMORID 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set belongs on your desk. Housed in a slick pop-up aluminum case, it includes 42 precision bits crafted from ultra-durable S2 steel. The ergonomic magnetic handle keeps bits locked tight and holds tiny screws securely so they don't bounce off into nowhere. It's compact, incredibly satisfying to open, and replaces those messy, disorganized plastic boxes of mismatched tools lying around your garage. Stop buying store-bought aerosol cooking oil sprays filled with weird chemical propellants and artificial additives. The FLAIROSOL Olivia oil sprayer 200 milliliters uses advanced continuous mist technology to evenly coat your air fryer basket, salads, and cooking pans with pure olive oil, avocado oil, or vinegar. A smooth squeeze delivers a microfine, consistent fan spray pattern that cuts down on overall oil consumption while ensuring your food gets perfectly crispy. It's cleaner, healthier, refillable, and way cheaper in the long run. Dark closets, dim kitchen cabinets, and pitch black hallways are officially a thing of the past with MCGOR motion sensor LED lights. These ultra-thin light bars feature intelligent motion sensors that automatically illuminate whenever you walk near and turn off shortly after you leave to save power. The magnetic mounting system requires zero wiring or drilling. Just stick the adhesive magnetic strip anywhere you want light. They are fully USB-C rechargeable, offer adjustable color temperatures and brightness levels, and instantly give your home a high-end custom lighting look. Standard bathroom scales only tell you a tiny fraction of your actual health story. The Etekcity health monitoring scale syncs effortlessly via Bluetooth to break down 13 essential body composition metrics, including body fat percentage, muscle mass, visceral fat, bone density, and metabolic age. The bright LED screen gives immediate readouts, while the free companion app logs your progress over time with clean visual graphs. It's an essential, highly accurate tool for anyone serious about tracking real health and fitness transformations. Never stress about whether you forgot to lock the front door after leaving the house again. The Kwikset Alexa-compatible smart lock lets you lock or unlock your door from anywhere using your smartphone, simple voice commands, or a custom PIN code on the physical keypad. You can create temporary access codes for guests, dog walkers, or maintenance workers and receive instant smartphone alerts whenever your door is unlocked. Installation takes under 20 minutes with a simple screwdriver, delivering instant home security and keyless convenience. If you use your tablet for watching movies, reading recipes in the kitchen, or as a secondary laptop monitor, the LISEN iPad stand tablet holder is built like an absolute tank. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, it features a 360-degree rotating base and fully adjustable dual hinges so you can dial in the exact viewing angle and height. Non-slip silicone pads shield your device from scratches, while the heavily weighted base ensures zero shaking or tipping over, even when you're tapping the screen enthusiastically. Lazy scrolling through TikTok, Kindle ebooks, or YouTube Shorts just reached peak human comfort with the Vekesen Bluetooth scrolling ring controller. You wear this discreet, lightweight ring on your finger and control your smartphone completely hands-free from under a warm blanket. You can swipe through videos, turn book pages, pause music, adjust volume, or snap remote photos from up to 30 feet away. It's ridiculously comfortable, charges inside its compact wireless charging case, and makes bed scrolling effortlessly cozy. Bathrooms harbor harbor invisible bacteria that standard toilet brushes and chemical cleaners simply miss. The XuEpeTim Smart Toilet UV Sanitizer mounts cleanly inside your toilet lid and uses medical-grade UVC light to destroy up to 99% of bacteria and odor-causing germs in minutes. It automatically activates a deep sanitizing cycle every time you close the toilet lid and features built-in safety sensors that shut the light off instantly if the lid is opened. It keeps your bathroom smelling fresh and deeply sanitized without harsh chemicals. If you're a hot sleeper who constantly flips their pillow searching for the cold side, the Elegear cooling blanket is going to save your night's sleep. Crafted with specialized Japanese Q-Max cooling fibers, this blanket actively absorbs body heat to lower your skin temperature by 2 to 5 degrees the moment it touches you. It feels silky smooth, completely breathable, and features a dual-sided design so you stay comfortably cool during sweltering summer nights without having to crank your air conditioning down to freezing levels. When securing sensitive financial data, private documents, or crypto backup keys, standard flash drives are a massive security risk. The Kingston IronKey Keypad 232GB encrypted USB drive features military-grade XTSAES 256-bit hardware encryption with a physical alphanumerical keypad built directly onto the aluminum drive body. You enter your custom PIN directly on the keypad before plugging it into any computer USB port. It functions completely independently of any operating system, protecting your data against keyloggers, malware, and brute force hacking attempts. Stop wasting precious morning minutes frantically hunting down your lost keys, wallet, or backpack before heading out the door. The Life 360 Tile Pro tracker boasts an impressive 400-foot Bluetooth range and a piercingly loud chime to help you locate missing items in seconds. If you accidentally leave something far behind at a venue, the Global Tile Network helps pinpoint its precise location on a live map. Plus, double pressing the physical button on the Tile Pro makes your lost phone ring loudly, even if it's set on silent mode. Turn your smartphone or tablet into a full-fledged mobile productivity powerhouse with the Saikai Case Foldable Bluetooth keyboard with magnetic stand. This pocket-sized keyboard folds down into an ultra-compact footprint, making it ideal for coffee shop work sessions, plane rides, or remote blogging. The built-in magnetic protective cover transforms into a sturdy kickstand for your screen, while the quiet, tactile keys offer a surprisingly comfortable typing experience that rivals full-sized laptop keyboards wherever your day takes you. Whether you're navigating crowded city transit or traveling abroad, the Bangay Anti-Theft Backpack keeps your expensive electronics completely secure. It features a heavy-duty TSA-approved combination lock, cut-resistant waterproof fabric, and hidden anti-theft zipper pockets flush against your back. Inside, dedicated cushion compartments protect laptops up to 15.6 inches, alongside tablets, cables, and daily gear. There's even an external integrated USB charging port so you can power up your phone on the go without unzipping your main bag. If endless notifications and social media distractions are killing your daily focus, the TK3 Pomodoro Timer Cube is the ultimate physical productivity tool. Instead of relying on timer apps on your phone that tempt you to scroll, you simply flip this physical wooden-style cube to your desired time block, like 5, 15, 25, or 30 minutes, and it automatically starts counting down instantly. It uses the proven Pomodoro technique to keep you locked into deep work blocks while keeping digital distractions completely out of sight. For gun owners who demand lighting-fast emergency access combined with uncompromising security, the ZCF Mate 3-in-1 Biometric Handgun Safe with wireless charging, fingerprint lock, and LED display is best in class. It features a high-precision biometric fingerprint scanner that pops open the heavy-duty steel safe in under 1 second, along with a digital keypad and physical backup keys. Best of all, the top surface functions as a fast wireless phone charging pad with a clean LED clock display, making it blend seamlessly as a discreet bedside nightstand organizer. Finally, traditional tape measures bend, twist, and fail when trying to accurately measure rounded surfaces or complex room dimensions. The Hozo Neo Ruler Go digital tape measure redefines how we measure everything. Equipped with a high-precision rolling wheel and laser crosshairs, you simply roll it across any surface, flat, curved, or multi-angled, to get real-time digital measurements displayed on its crisp screen. With 93 built-in scale ratios ratios, and instant Bluetooth app syncing, it exports precise CAD drawings directly to your phone, making it a must-have for architects, interior designers, and serious DIYers. And there you have it, 26 viral Amazon gadgets that are actually worth every single penny. If any of these caught your eye, remember all the direct Amazon links are waiting for you in the description below. Drop a comment down below letting me know which gadget was your absolute favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, give that like button a quick tap and subscribe to Gadget Drop for fresh tech roundups every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.